Hello, hello, I'm Laura. I teach at Viracosta College Community Education, the class Cooking Healthy Plant-Based Meals with Love. And I want to show you a little bit, just a little bit of what we will do in the class. The first class is all about prepping, but we will end it up with something very good for you to taste or to take. And those preps include homemade broth, vegetable broth, of course, and saute mushrooms with no oil, 3 lemons, the juice and the peel. We're going to use other things that you can see here so you can guess what we're cooking with green onions and onions, some cashew soaked in water, wine, a good wine that you can actually drink. It's a good Sauvignon Blanc. Good ingredients, and this will tell you what we're cooking. The best quality arborio rice for our risotto. This is just a sample of what we are doing in the class. See you there. Bye.